This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
Bad, cause it's bit bad. Smoke with the bag, like chips at the front. This fuck, I'm fly like a pelican in my bed. I get my way, hella quick. They get to the hook up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yeah, it's in the front. Of course, it's in the back. This a big, this a real big difference. You just want a club. I just need them racks. You just wanna party. I just wanna rock stars.
Hey, it's Kenny. Just got my frame sandblasted, and we're getting together the frame and reinforcements to strengthen this thing up. Attacking all this, right? Yep. Pretty much where it's flat.
So the sides are just tapped. The ears have the filler pieces in on them. Now time to start doing the center support.
So Kenny and Tommy are doing an amazing job on the frame reinforcement. It's looking really good. They're just stitching things as they go along, but they're going to fill everything in with welds, clean up all the welds, make it look absolutely amazing. There's going to be a lot of welding wire going into this frame. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give the video a like. And if you have questions or comments, comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.